Then I got the rest of my cilantro, and you just want to just sprinkle them right on top, just like that, y'all. Just like that. This is a great, great recipe. Hi, you all. Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chelle's Kitchen. If you catch my other video before this one, I made the street tacos, and I was thinking what would go great with some street tacos. I thought elotes or elotes, however you want to pronounce them. Another name for them is street corn. Y'all, this corn is so delicious. I'm going to show y'all how to make it for yourself or for your family, y'all. Oh my God, when I say this corn is so refreshing, it's so good, it's just deliciousness. If you ever had one, you know exactly what I mean. So let's get to it. I'm going to show y'all exactly what we need to make the street corns. So right here, as y'all see, I have the my corn on the cob. Got these out of my produce section. This is fresh corn, so I did take everything off, rinsed them off really good. I have some salt here. Have some chili powder. I have some lime juice, garlic powder, mayo. I have my feta cheese, and I have sour cream. And last but not least, we have our cilantro and onion wedges. So let's get to it. The first thing you will need to do to your corn is we will need to grill it. So if you have a grill outside or like an electric grill, great. Go outside and grill your corn, or if you have an indoor grill. This is a great recipe for your indoor grill. Unfortunately, I don't have a grill, so we're going to use our handy dandy stove. And let's get to it. So I'm going to show you how to, you just want to brown your corn. And then, yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so I have my skillet on. I have it on medium high. I did spray it lightly because you don't want your corn to stick. So I did spray it lightly with some non-sticking spray. What you want to do is just place your corn inside of the skillet. Just like that. So I'm going to do 3 at a time. We're going to do 3 at a time. My skillet ain't that big, y'all. My skillet ain't that big. So we're going to do 3 at a time. 3 at a time. And yeah, so you wanted to let them cook. I want to say probably anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes on each side. You just want them to have that nice little brown glare on there, which you will see in just a moment when we turn these over. You'll see exactly how you need your corn to look. Stay tuned. So as y'all can see, y'all, I have turned them over. As you can see, some of the corn has the little black things. This is how you want your corn to look like this throughout. So if you can get it, you want to flip your corn on all sides if possible to get it charred all the way through. And y'all will see once I take these off exactly what I mean. Okay, y'all, so I have grilled my corn, y'all. This is what you want your corn to look like. So I just charred it on each side as much as possible. Not too much. You don't want it to be burnt. But this is what you want your corn to look like. Yeah. Alright. So now what we're going to do, y'all, is do the mixture. So I have me a bowl here. And we're going to start with the mayo. So in my bowl, I have about 3 tablespoons of my mayo. And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of our sour cream. Like that. Every time I've made this recipe, you all, I'm not gonna lie, I always just eyeball it, so just bear with me. We got our garlic powder here. We're gonna do, this is a half a tablespoon right here, so I say a tablespoon, let's say a half a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. And we're gonna do some salt. You don't want too much salt, so I say about a teaspoon of salt. Chili powder, about a teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to squeeze some lime juice in here. If you have lime zest, definitely use lime zest. Then we got our cilantro back here. We're going to add some cilantro to the mixture. Just like that. This is probably about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And then we're going to, this little container here, we're going to add almost half of it to the mixture, just like that. But you want to save some of your cheese. Don't use it all, and I'll show you why later, why you don't want to use all your cheese. So I have it all in the bowl like that. Grab me a fork, and we're just going to stir it all together. You just want to mix it up, just like this. Just like that. It don't look all that, y'all, but oh my God, y'all, this is fire. If you're having Mexican night at the house, definitely make this corn. If you got people coming over, this recipe right here, I'm telling you, everybody's gonna want to know how was it made? What is this corn? When my other video, I was telling y'all I was selling street tacos here in my hometown, and I also would sell this corn with the street tacos. I had people pulling up just to get the corn, y'all. I had people inboxing me days and weeks afterwards, like, when are you making that corn? Can I come and get some corn? So this corn is just delicious, y'all. So give that a nice stir, just like that. So after you've done that, what you want to do is, so I got one of these little things. If you got like some type of brush or something you can use, great. If not, just use your fork or spoon. But you want to take your corn, and you just want to coat your corn, just like that. Just coat your corn. You want the mixture all on each side. It can be a little messy, y'all. So if you got some gloves or something, definitely put on some gloves. And then you just set it down like that, y'all. After you got your stuff on there, you just set it down. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of these just like that. Just want to rub that mixture all on them. Again, y'all, this is so good. So delicious. You will not, even if you don't like mayo, I swear to God, you will like this recipe. If you don't like sour cream, I swear to God, you'll like this recipe because you can't taste it. You cannot taste it. This mixture is a little thick. So just do your best to try to just coat your corn. Just like that. Got your cilantro all on there. Got your feta cheese all through there. Garlic all through it. You got your lime juice all through it. This is a quick recipe, y'all. The kids can help you do it. I think the kids will love helping you make these and coating the corn. Even the kids will love these, y'all. I swear to God, even your kids will love these, y'all. Even if you're the pickiest eater. My daughter loves these. My son loves these. My husband loves these. And all the people I sold them to that was inboxing me for weeks after I sold them love these, y'all. So these are really good. I swear to God. Especially if you love corn. This is a whole nother kick to the corn, y'all. Whole nother kick. And it look a little messy right now, but wait when I get done. Wait till we get done, y'all. It's gonna look so good. So we almost done. Trying to scoop this stuff, y'all. Trying to scoop it. All right. Got one, and we got one more. Now the chunks in there, y'all, is the cheese. That cheese right there, that's the chunks in there. You can get them to stick to the corn, great. If not, it's fine. Put them all on there, just like that, y'all. And this is a very touchy-feely food, so please make sure your hands are clean while doing this, because don't nobody want you touching all over their corn and you ain't washed your hands. That's not cool. So make sure you're washing your hands, especially with this COVID going around. Your hands should be clean anyway. All right, y'all. So I have loaded them all, and then if you want, you can go over them with some more. I'm going to use all the mixture. You can definitely go over them. It's like loaded corn. Just to give it a more feeling. Alright, y'all. So that's all I'm going to do. Let me wash my hands again. Real quick. Real quick. Alright, y'all. So now that we have coated our, what we're going to do is, what I want to do first. We're going to go down with more cheese. So we're going to put some more of this cheese on top, y'all. Just like this. Oh, look at that. Just like that. And this cheese is so good, y'all. It's so good. I wouldn't lie to you. I promise I wouldn't lie to you. That's what you want to do. You want to just sprinkle it on top just like that. Then we're going to go down with our chili powder. This is going to give it a lot of color. You want to lightly sprinkle it, y'all, with your chili powder. Just like that. You can put as much as or as less as you want. And then, y'all, last but not least, we're going to go down with the rest of that. See, so y'all see why I said don't use all your cheese, because you want to coat it when you're done. Then I got the rest of my cilantro, and you just want to just sprinkle them right on top. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. This is a great, great recipe. Use all this cilantro. If you want a plate for garnish. Alright, and then last but not least, we got our lemon wedges. Just throw a few of them on top, just like that. Down here. Up here. Say this don't look delicious, y'all. Say this don't look like it just came from one of them Mexican spots or one of them food trucks. Say it don't. Well, I probably got too many lime. I'm going to take some of them off. That's too many. That's good right there. And voila, y'all, we have it. These are called elotes or elotes or street corn, whatever you want to call it, y'all. This corn right here is so delicious. It is so refreshing. It's like a salad on a cob. Again, my husband loves them. My kids love them. I made these for my husband and kids. As soon as we're done shooting this video, they can't wait to tear these corn down. So I just wanted to show that great recipe with y'all. Again, this is another recipe you'll look at and be like, dang, I can't make that. You definitely can. I just showed you how to do it. And a lot of this stuff for this recipe we already got around our house. A lot of us already got mayo. A lot of us already got sour cream from last Tuesday when we made them tacos. A lot of us got salt. You know, salt come in a big old thing. You gonna have that salt for like a year. So, garlic powder. A lot of this stuff we already have around our house. The only thing you probably have to go buy is the corn on the cob, probably some chili powder, and some lime juice and some lime wedges. That's all you need. So, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in again. It was my pleasure showing you all this recipe. Thank you so much to my subscribers. If you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.